Hello viewers, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss about courses which a student can enroll in the coming semester in order to get the relevant MOOCs credit points. Now all the programs or courses which I am going to discuss will be from the NPTEL SWAYAM platform. These courses are offered by the various renowned institutions of India funded by the Government of India. Students, kindly note, all the courses are free. You only require to pay a nominal amount of ₹1000 to appear for the examination and to get a relevant certificate relating to it. The first course which I am going to discuss today is Research Methodology and Statistical Analysis. This particular course is being offered by IGNOU, which is Indira Gandhi National Open University, and the facilitator is Dr. Kesharavani. Now you can see that you are eligible to join in this particular course, Research Methodology and Statistical Analysis, which is offered by IGNOU. Already, lot many number of learners have already joined this particular program, 17,445. This Research Methodology and Statistical Analysis, the objective of this particular course is to make you aware of the basic research principles and the methodology which is applied in research. This is a particular course which will be helpful for students, both undergraduate and postgraduate, be it management, engineering or even science background. This will not only build up your ideas with respect to research studies, but also will enable you to learn the skills which is required to do any form of research or a research project. Now students and viewers, in your entire curriculum, be it UG or PG, you require to do certain research projects, or else you have a final research paper or a research dissertation which you require to submit. And that is the reason I have selected this particular course, Research Methods and Statistical Analysis. This particular course is going to help you out in your UG or PG course. Now this is an upcoming course, as you can see, and most importantly, the duration of the course is 16 weeks. So as per my count, a duration of 16 weeks course gives you roughly 4 credits, but however, the credit point allotted is 6 credit points. The last date of enrollment, this is important, the last date of enrollment is 30th of June 2021. Let me roughly explain the course curriculum or the course layout which you have. To start on with, the basic concept of research, the introductory part, why we require to do a research and the various research methods required. In week 2 comes the research plan, the research problem, the objective which you require to fix up, the hypothesis and the design statements which are required. Week 3 talks from the point of view how you are going to collect the sample, what are the various types of samples are there, and the sampling techniques. Week 4 comes the scaling techniques, what kind of questions you are going to ask from the respondents in order to gather information. So once you have gathered information, then week 5 comes data presentation, data analysis. So basic statistical tools has been used, central tendency, variance, correlation, regression. So from week 9 onwards, with advanced statistics of using time series modeling, probability analysis, probability distribution, and since research is based on some statistical tools, so you also have hypothesis testing, both t-test, z-test, one-tail, two-tail tests, the errors associated, as well as the very last, week 15 and week 16, also talks about how you are going to interpret the entire analysis which you have done in the form of a report. I'll just give you the background of your instructor. Dr. Kesharavani is an academician who is a postgraduate as well as a doctorate in ERP system. He has done his doctorate in 2002 from Allahabad Central University. His major area of work is on total cost of ownership and critical evaluation of the ERP vendor system, including SAP. So this is the background of your instructor. This is the particular program. Now this program will be of great importance for students, be it from any background, because you require to do your research project both in UG and PG. What is most important for the students, this particular course is of 16 weeks. The last date of enrollment is on 30th of June, and you have 6 credit points associated with it. So what you require with respect to your credentials in terms of with your email ID, you require to join in this particular program, and the joining is completely free, and you will get an official email from the SWAYAM platform confirming your joining in this particular course. Viewers, I will be coming up with a series of courses which are offered by NPTEL SWAYAM, and where students can join such course and can get the necessary credit points which will be valid for MOOCs. So this is an important information which I felt like sharing with you all. Moreover, videos relating to education, examination and other processes, you will get updated videos from this channel. So viewers, be associated with this channel. Till then, thank you. Take care.